Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm ready for just a little afternoon walk. It's Friday and the time is almost 6 o'clock, and I found this very nice spot not far from Vigdel Beach. And I thought maybe this is a nice place to keep testing my Insta360 X4 camera. It's overcast, lots of clouds, and the daylight is fading, so I'm kind of interested when I watch back the video to see how the camera will handle this sort of lighting. And also I'm testing out this DJI Mic 2 via Bluetooth. So I don't know if you can hear me, how the quality is, but we'll find out. So maybe you can see the ocean there between those two hills. Just walk over here and have a look at this building. Looks kind of military, probably from the war. Whoa, look at those huge, massive steel doors. Probably some kind of storage facility. I know on the other side there are some fortifications that was built by the Germans during the war. So maybe we can see one or two of those. I was here maybe a couple of weeks ago, and already it's turned more green. All the trees have leaves, and the grass is green now. It used to be brown. Okay, I think I'll be heading back to the car. The wind is quite cold. It's around 12 degrees Celsius. Just felt a drop of water on my nose. It's starting to rain, so I have to hurry back. This area is quite popular for families to come here and look at the view and explore the fortresses, because this gravel road here is makes this area quite accessible. Even if you're bringing like a baby buggy or something. you can easily access. There are some sheep here and some little lambs. Cute.